Hello guys, this is Eric Tan of ETC23. Today I'm gonna show you again another second video of the Deca Clark Resort residence here in Barangay Margot, Angeles City, Pampanga. Deca Clark is around 10 to 15 minutes away from the international airport and SM Clark and Angeles City proper. Inside Deca Clark, you can find two water facilities inside. Number one is the wakeboard park, and number two is the Palo Verde Resort. The first footage that I uploaded my Facebook is started from the open space school going to the wakeboard area. Now this time I'm gonna start with phase 8 basketball court, and I'm gonna go to the wakeboard area and roam around, turn around, and going back again to phase 8 and then up to the Palo Verde Resort.